I'm Isha Ramzan and I'm a master's student at Heriot Watt in Renewable Energy Engineering. My master's dissertation was in collaboration with the ORCA Hub. So the aim of my project was to investigate how we can use FMCW radar for the quality assurance and operational monitoring of wind turbine blades. So in particular, we have this decommissioned wind turbine blade here, and I was using a K-band FMCW radar to collect data from the delaminated sections here, the polymer section here, and the shear web section here. And we compare the delaminated sections, which you can see on the wooden section, and the polymer section here, to the healthy baselines which are taken from below. So the positive changes that this project will bring is that the novelty of the FMCW radar allows detection of surface and subsurface faults, such as delaminations, which this project focuses on. So some of the benefits include decreased duration of inspection, decreased O&M costs, and the decreased requirement of personnel, which will help to increase health and safety. So the biggest challenge in this project was analysing the data. However, this was also the most enjoyable moment, because once it clicked through and I was able to analyse the data, it helped me realise how this FMCW radar can be used for larger blades and even to detect other faults. So my advice to future students who are interested in furthering this work would be to have a thorough look at the background work and existing work in this field. And there's no silly questions, so don't be afraid to ask.